we are going to talk about effects of drugs or alcohol abuse. Okay, this is asked in board exam for 3 marks. Quick students, this is asked in board exam for 3 marks. Okay, but the first and foremost I would like to tell you one thing. Drugs, tobacco or alcohol, they do not give any nutrients to the body. Instead, they empty the nutrients present in the body. Drugs irbodu, alcohol irbodu, tobacco irbodu, ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್, ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. Generally, many people say that will give nutrients, this will give nutrient. But remember, drugs, alcohol or tobacco, they do not give any nutrients to the body. Okay? Now let us study effects of drug or alcohol abuse one by one. See, first one is, as you know, after taking drug or alcohol, people show reckless behavior. Reckless behavior. It is nothing but, you remember simply, rash behavior. Rash. Or we can say irresponsibility behavior. But for your simple understanding, we can remember reckless behavior. Yaradru reckless behavior torstara, rash behavior. You know, drinking people, drug addict people, they show reckless behavior. And sometimes there will be violence. Right? They start fighting with each other or they start beating each other. So that is what is happening here. So that is what is called violence. Then one more, vandalism. What is vandalism? It is nothing but, after taking drugs or alcohol, if they harm any public properties and harm madikre, that is what is called vandalism. So first thing is that reckless behavior and violence and vandalism, these are the immediate effects of drug and alcohol abuse. Immediate effects. Okay? Now, if they take high doses, drugs and alcohol, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is, so they may lead to coma or death. High doses of drugs and alcohol cause coma and death. Why there is a death? That is the question. ಯಾಕೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, reason is that the death due to respiratory or heart failure. Right? So there will be a respiratory failure. Respiratory fail ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, heart fail ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. One more chance is there. That is called cerebral hemorrhage. What do you mean by cerebral hemorrhage? Cerebral means brain, as you know, cerebral brain. Hemorrhage means hemorrhage. You remember, it is nothing but bleeding. Right? ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ coma, and death due to respiratory or heart failure or due to cerebral hemorrhage. These are the things you should remember. Death happens if they take high doses of drugs or alcohol. Now, number 3. If drugs mixed with alcohol, definitely that cause the death. This is the point, is very important. It is general point. Drugs mixed with alcohol cause death. Right? Here I would like to tell you one awareness. That is, here drugs means you can also consider medicines. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಾಡಿಯನ್ನ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವಿಚ್ BP reduces. BP reduce ಆಗಿ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore, drugs mixed with alcohol cause death. This is the point you should know. Now, let us see the next one. That is especially chronic alcoholism. Especially chronic alcoholism means if the people take long-term taking alcohol, that causes damage of nervous system. Nervous system damage agutte. One more cause it is alcohol consumption, people get liver cirrhosis. This is most important. Liver cirrhosis caused by chronic alcoholism. Right? Let us understand what is liver cirrhosis. See here, students, liver na odagade formation of the fat and fibers takes place. Due to alcohol, formation of the fat and fibers in the liver. Because of that, liver is swollen. Swelling of the liver ugutte, liver swelling agutte. That is what is called liver cirrhosis. Now let me tell you, the very interesting thing is that how there is a fat formation in the livers. Liver ನಲ್ಲಿ fat formation ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, suppose you think this is the hepatocytes, liver cell. Now alcohol enters into hepatocytes. Now our liver cells start to produce an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase. The enzymes ಏನಾದರೂ production ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, right, alcohol liver cells ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೋಜಿನೇಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. Now aldehyde formation takes place. This aldehyde is very dangerous. This aldehyde now initiate the process of lipogenesis. Lipogenesis means fat formation, lipid formation. Genesis means formation, lipo means lipid. Lipid formation start agutte. How lipid formation takes place? You see, in our liver cells, glycogen will be there. You know that is carbohydrate stored in the form of glycogen in the liver cells. Now this glycogen is replaced by fat. All the glycogen present in the liver converted into fat. In the meanwhile, there are formation of fibers. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೈಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಲಿವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಿವರ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಕುಡಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಲಿವರ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಲಿವರ್, then it is reach the heart, after that is reach other body parts like the kidney and brain. But remember, but students, no need to remember all those things, but you should remember this liver cirrhosis. In exam they do not ask what is liver cirrhosis, but they ask liver cirrhosis is caused by chronic alcoholism. ಕ್ರೋನಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಿವರ್ ಸಿರೋಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಲಿವರ್ ಸಿರೋಸಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲಿವರ್ ಸಿರೋಸಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ us see sixth one, right? Sixth effect, that is mental and social distress to family and friends. Yes, this is the main effects. Mental and financial distress to family and friends, especially to take the drugs and alcohol. What they need money, right? So money they need, so therefore what happens, they start to ask the money with the family, they start to ask the money with the friends. This causes mental and financial distress to family and friends. Recent news ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು, right? Recent news ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು ನೀವು, ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕುಡಿಯುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು, ಕುಡಿಯುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ರೈಟ್ ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ತೋರಿಸುವಂತ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್. ನೌ ಸೇಮ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮನಿ for drinking or taking drugs, what happens? Social problems like stealing. This is also one effect, right? Social problems like stealing. If they don't get money, then they go for what? Stealing. This is the social problem. Then, especially in drug addicts who take the drug intravenously, right, using needles and syringe, same needles they use. In that cases, spread of infectious diseases, for example AIDS, hepatitis, this is chances are there. This is another effect, spread of infectious diseases, for example AIDS, hepatitis ನಂತಹ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, especially those who take drugs intravenously using needles, same needles. So that is the point you remember. Now this is one of the tragedy you see, use of drug or alcohol by pregnant woman, that definitely affect the fetus. Pregnant woman ಏನಾದರೂ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಫೀಟಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ವುಮನ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಫೀಟಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ see the last one here is loss of sexual drive and necrospermia. Necrospermia. See this word, necrospermia. What is the word present here? Necrospermia. Necrospermia, sperms, right? Necrospermia means death of sperms. Necrospermia, death of sperms. So ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇವಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಡೆತ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೇಲ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ಇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಗದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. That is what is called loss of sexual drive and necrospermia. Dear student, these are all effects of drug or alcohol abuse. Right? It is asked in board exam for 3 months. Okay? Students, I will come with another information in the next video. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you for your time.